Join me as I explore this newly discovered high-tech Neanderthal furnace and see what secrets I can uncover. Today we're sharing the stories of history again because a groundbreaking discovery has been made. A high-tech Neanderthal library that's challenging everything we knew about ancient scholars. A 65,000-year-old Neanderthal tar furnace discovered in Gibraltar is being considered an example of high-tech innovation considered influential in human history. This ancient furnace was found in a cave where Neanderthals produced factory tar, resin, used to bond stone tools to wooden bases. According to ecosystems, the process was extremely complex and involved burning in an oxygen-depleted environment at a constant temperature, the company says, so they considered it a chemically advanced process, which suggests that Neanderthals were equipped with a high level of technology and organizational structure. This discovery challenges the notion that ancient human societies were simply incapable of making simple tools. The Neanderthals' innovative technology also teaches of their keen understanding of social cooperation and environment. About 37,000 years ago, Neanderthals were small, handicapped people living in what is now southern Spain. Life was upended a few thousand years earlier by the eruption of the Phlegrean Schism in Italy, when the caldera's eruption disrupted food chains in their maritime territory. They likely began their daily lives as they were, making stone tools, catching birds and mushrooms, carving symbols on rocks, and making jewelry out of rocks and shells. They may never have realized that they were among the last of their kind. But the story of their existence actually began thousands of years earlier when Neanderthals dispersed and broke off, eventually ending nearly 500,000 years of successful experience in some of the most inhospitable regions of Eurasia. By 34,000 years ago, our closest relatives were effectively extinct, but since modern humans and Neanderthals were intertwined in time and space for thousands of years, archaeologists have long wondered whether our species wiped out our closest relatives. This may have happened directly, such as through violence and warfare, or indirectly through disease or competition for resources. Now, researchers are beginning to solve the mystery of how Neanderthals became extinct and what role our species played in their demise. I think the fact that we know what happened to Neanderthals is remarkable, and it's complicated. Shara Bailey, a biological anthropologist at New York University, told Live Science. Decades of research have revealed a complicated picture, a whole combination of factors, including competition between Neanderthal groups, interbreeding, and, yes, modern humans, helped wipe our closest relatives off the planet. Now, more than 150 years of archaeological and genetic evidence makes it clear that these early human relatives were far more advanced than we thought. Neanderthals made sophisticated tools, probably created art, decorated their bodies, buried their dead, and had advanced communication capabilities, although their language was more primitive than that of modern humans. What's more, they survived for hundreds of thousands of years in the hostile climate of northern Europe and Siberia. The implications of this discovery go beyond technology. It challenges long-held assumptions about Neanderthal intelligence and cultural evolution. The ability to produce resin using anoxic heating shows that Neanderthals were capable of abstract thinking, understanding cause and effect relationships. The discovery of a 60,000-year-old resin production site is a turning point in our understanding of Neanderthals. It challenges deeply held stereotypes. It reveals a species that was innovative, resourceful, and deeply attuned to its environment, far from the brutal caricature of the popular imagination. Neanderthals emerged as sophisticated thinkers and skilled craftsmen who left a lasting mark on human history as researchers. Even more fascinating every year, the discoveries bring us closer to understanding not only their world. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the high-tech world of Neanderthals. If you want to learn more about human evolution, be sure to check out my other videos, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think this discovery means for our understanding of Neanderthals?